I look like a burnt charcoal chicken.
I look like a messy burnt charcoal chook.
It's amazing.
You gotta do the full 6 pumps and get really deep.
Got our first yabby.
High five again.
High five! Woo! There is another yabby. Hello. So we are going to do some yabby hunting. Right, Babu?
Yes, I'm prepared. Let's go. Let's go to well.
Let's do this. Look at Babu. So we are going there. When it's high tide, the space is underwater. Because it's low tide, all the yabby and other baits gonna be on the surface. Not surface, you have to dig it, but you could find it from there. So let's see. Because we threw all our baits yesterday because we were so angry. We couldn't find fish. But yeah, let's see if we can get some bait and do fishing. How difficult this task is. Just go for that one.
It's difficult because we don't know.
Yeah,
We're
true.
hoping that these will be yabbies, but
Babu, listen. Look at me. I'm out of this. Let's go.
yeah, it looks like I don't think we've got a hope of catching a yabby.
That's definitely not yabby.
No. But
Yes, the sun is beaming. It's hot.
let's go back and do some studies on that again.
Yep, and then come back.
And then come back.
Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
I'm gonna walk my feet. What is Babu? Babu and Sabrina?
Hello.
We are new to the fishing world and we ran out of bait, so we thought, you know what, let's go and find some yabbies.
Our new friend showing us what to look at doing yabby catching, because we are clueless. How deep we have to dig?
Just goes deep.
Should be around about here, right now. And we dug 3 of those, the single ones.
Yeah.
Not much large. But you normally think these ones would be.
Yeah, you see those sort of 3
Yeah.
together there.
Yeah. Ah, hang on.
What?
There's a yabby.
So we got our first yabby.
High five again for the
High
camera.
five! Woo!
I'm so happy, man.
That's so good. So good.
All right.
Yeah.
Just keep going. Oh, you got it.
Do
Got it.
like 6 or 7 pumps and
Right.
then check it.
Right.
And another good sign if you're doing it well is if there's like all watery and stuff coming out.
Mm.
Yep.
If it's just like a splat,
Yep.
like a water, that's good.
Got it.
That's a good advice. So,
Yeah, man.
thank you.
Jordan. Thank you.
Look at how much help we are getting. Woo! Oh my god. Oh, that's a crab, Babu.
We can use the crab as a bait, right? Yep. There goes the man. Give me the pot.
Yeah,
Fresh
there.
live bait, local baits and stuff.
Oh my god. You guys are amazing. Look how much stuff we have. Aww. That's a skill.
Yeah, that's how you do it.
Wonderful.
So you keep doing 5 or 6, go as deep as you can quickly, and then running water, just keep spraying in there until you find one.
Yeah, well, you should see them crawling on the surface.
Yep.
And you know the ones you miss because you see a bird picking up behind you. As you're pumping down, you'll get to a level, you'll find them. So next hole will probably the same.
Yep.
Yeah, if they're right close,
Yep.
or if they're right down deep.
Got it. So the same depth in there. So
Yeah.
Yeah.
You got to do the full 6 pumps and get really deep, and keep doing that.
Hats off,
Amazing.
mate. Thank you so
Thank
much.
you so much.
Have fun.
I appreciate it.
Thank
Appreciate
you. There is another yabby. Whoa, that's a big one, so be careful. And 1, 2, 3. Yeah. Look at how it's cute. Just improved. Now we are happy. Oh, there, there. There. Yep, that's a little crabby. There you go. Look how much bait we have now. Thanks to Jordan and
his father
and
Ellen.
They are amazing. Never give up, hey? At Babu, the yabby hunter. Look at me as a helper. And look at our yabbies. It's just amazing. The process is messy, but so satisfying. When you see one yabby, just amazing. Oh, there, oh, there's a crab. Yep. There you go. Local bait, the best. So happy.
And that's a wrap. Okay, not like that.
But hey, we got yabbies.
And that's not a wrap.
No more.
And that's a wrap. This is what I caught.
If you can open it.
About 20 yabbies, 20 crabs. Enough for us to get going this afternoon. Whatever fish we catch, we catch. Catching the yabby was the best fun.
Thank you again, Jordan.
Alan, lesson learned. Always ask for local knowledge and help. Don't give up. We gave up. And luckily we met Jordan on the way out.
And
then we
he's
met
such a
Alan
good
and
kid.
his dad. They showed us Alan has been a professional fisherman for 20 years. And what he had showed us today and what he told us today is going to be a lifelong experience for us moving forward.
And we are
We'll never
grateful
forget.
for that.
This is so amazing, guys. You should always do that. You should buy this yabby pump and try catching yabbies on your own, or the crabs, to make your own bait. Because yesterday we got sick of the smell of our
Prawn and
bait,
stuff.
prawns and everything else. And why? These are the naturally sourced local bait for the local fish. That's what you want. Skill learned. Next adventure. So we know how to catch pippies, we know how to catch crabs and yabbies with the pump. The next one will be using a cast net to get the little fishes as a bait, live bait as well. And our plan would be to be fully self-sustained in terms of catching our own bait for our fish. What do you think, Sabrina?
Yes, I'm with you.
Oh, what an amazing morning, guys.
I look like a burnt charcoal chicken. And Babu,
I look like a messy burnt charcoal chook. Rooster. Tired. Look at me. This guy went yabby hunting. Of course he did. Look at us. Look at our shoes.
but it was worth it. 100% worth it, the burn.
I'm just so happy. Just so happy. It's
Me
just
too.
the feeling of catching something from the wild. That's all it is. So now I know I don't have to be dependent on baits. I don't have to go to the supermarket to buy my chicken bait or whatever, blah blah blah. I've got the fresh bait I can catch. No pressure, not talking too much up there. Hope we can catch a fish in the afternoon. That'll be the finale, that'll be the icing of the cake. If not, doesn't matter, no pressure.
Let's see.
Let's see.
That's our friend's boat. Any luck?
Any luck?
No. We caught fish. Babu, 2 fish there on board. Amazing couple. Babu, look at the. It's like. You're so sweet. We got a whitey!
It's worth that trip. We have to do that.
Don't leave it on top. This is absolutely
This is
gorgeous.
Captain.
Captain
Halada. Yes.
Oh my
Boy.
God. This is worth it. Now I'm feeling happy. We have dinner.
That's what we came here for. To be able to catch a fish for dinner, and that's what we got. With locally caught baits. Can't get any better than this. Unbelievable.
So we're looking at
29 centimeter.
29 centimeters. So happy.
Normally I do the bream dance or fish dance, but Sabrina has been looking forward for catching a fish big time since she got on this trip, and the fact that it's a beautiful fish and it's her commitment and hard work to make sure that we catch our own bait, number 1. We catch our own fish from our own bait, number 2, and then we'll be cooking it later tonight, but that'll be coming. But I think Sabrina is the one who deserves to do the fish dance now with happiness. That's a nice fish. Job nice done, Sabrina. Yes, we did good. Yes, so we'll share with you guys about the recipe, about what we're gonna do with it and how we're gonna cook. We were rationing almost tonight. We would have to add 2-minute noodles if we didn't catch a fish.
But now
Again,
we have fish.
we have a fish for dinner, but it was all intentional. We wanted to put ourselves in a challenging situation where the survival instinct kicks in a way. No, I mean, of course you could go walk to the shops and buy something, but we wanted to see if we can do it everything from raw and fresh, and we have been able to. We did it. We're really happy.
Smooth. Our last fire. Very exciting. Look at my charcoal husband. The sun is set. The sun is setting. I can't talk, I'm so tired. I'm gonna show you around for the last time. That's our new friend over there in their boat. This is such a beautiful. The fire is set. We're gonna take hot shower now and then prepare our dinner. Can't wait to show you guys how we cook it. Yes, freshly caught.
So we have baked bean, fried rice, red curry sauce, oil, salt, onion, tomato noodles, Hokkien noodles, and the star of the dish, freshly caught fish from today.
It was in the esky.
Yeah.
Nice and cold. Little bit of salt. Onion.
Usually the base of the fish.
I never will do that. Fish before.
That's just so good. Flavors. And then we can go to the fish.
So Babu covered the fish so that the flavor is intact. And now the fry rice. That's the fish and the bean. Here comes the fried rice. The last bit of the puzzle.
Okay. Let's try, huh?
Let's try this. You have to try this before.
Okay. Try
So
some
good.
sauce.
Mmm. That's mine. Bye.
It's good, huh?
So good.
Good.
Delicious.
Well, I'm happy you like it.
Thank you. It's
Happy
good.
2023. We started with the fish. Hope we can have a fishful year
Yeah,
of
let's hope
catching our
that.
own bait and own fish and cook it in a simple way.
Best day ever. Soft and delicious. I know.
Oh man, that's exactly what I wanted. So you can actually have the fish flavor in there. Almost a watering mouth dropping, drooling from my face.
So good. Alright guys, let us finish this and see you guys soon.